Hello friends, welcome to Trinity Cultural Academy, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see production technology of plantation crops part 2. Let's get into the questions and answer. First one. World's largest germplasm collection of coconut. So it is in CPCRI. Full form for CPCRI, Central Plantation Crops Research Institute. Then what is about IPGRI? International Plant Genetic Resources Institute. VPM3 coconut is a selection from Andaman Ordinary. Highest oil content hybrid of coconut is VHC1. It is released in 1982. The abbreviation for VHC is Vepankulam Hybrid Combinations. Cashew is a native of Brazil. Removal of inflorescences and bunches in oil palm is known as ablation. So ablation enables the plant to gain adequate stem growth, vigor and development of adequate root system. And another important point, oil palm is highly cross-pollinated crop. In coconut, male flowers are absent in the variety spicata. Only female flowers are present. Seventh one. Skipping is related to tea. Is a pruning height 65 cm, mainly done to postpone the pruning. In coffee, we do stripping. Is a picking of still the remaining green berries. And what about scuffling? So, scuffling is otherwise known as soil stirring. It is done in coffee. Fly picking is followed in coffee, cocoa, cashew, areca nut. Coffee. Commercially cultivated type of cocoa is Forastero. So Forastero is a bulk cocoa. We'll get bulk beans. The flowers of cashew are monoecious, dioecious, polygamomonoecious, gynoecious. It is a polygamomonoecious. The pollinating agent in oil palm is wind, water, weevil or none of this. Weevil. Whereas a pollinating agent in cocoa is myrrhus. As I said earlier video. First tea research station in India was established in Jorhat in 1904. It is one of the major cities of Assam. Coconut hybrid of Godavari Ganga is released from Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, Andhra Pradesh Agricultural University, Kerala Agricultural University are from CPCRI. So, Godavari Ganga. It is released from Andhra Pradesh Agricultural University. Dash PGR is suited for shoot initiation in tea. IBA. Indole butyric acid. 15th one. Clone susceptible to blister blight at mid elevation. Upasi 11, Upasi 12, Upasi 13 or Upasi 14. Upasi 14 is susceptible to blister blight at mid elevation. So the other name is Singara. It is a quality clone and suitable for higher as well as in the mid elevations. Cultivated species of areca nut in India is Areca catechu and Areca triantra. CPCRI regional station is located at Vittal. Answer is Vittal, whereas the headquarters is located at Kasaragod. The correct answer is Vittal. Correct answer is Vittal. Kasaragod is headquarters. In tea, conventional tea microshoots are hardened for 6 months. The cultivar of coffee suitable for high density planting is Kaveri. The compound responsible for cocoa flavor is theobromine, whereas theoflavin and theorubigin is present in tea. Inflorescence of coconut is spike. Rubber board is located in Kottayam. Plantation crop used for soil conservation is areca nut. Mangala variety of areca nut is introduced from VTL3, that is introduced from China. VTL17 is for Sri Mangala, is from Singapore. Then VTL11 is introduced for Sumangala from Indonesia. VTL12 is introduced from Saigon, then named as Swarna Mangala. Koliroga or Mahali is related to areca nut. In contour planting single head system, the spacing adapted for tea is 1.2 into 0.75 meter, so which accommodates nearly 10,800 plants. In tea, reduced leaf size, rosetting, chlorosis of young leaves are the deficiency symptoms of zinc, and zinc also leads to formation of more branchy shoots, zinc deficiency. In South India, flower initiation in coffee takes between September to October. Cashew apple is a rich source of vitamin C and sugar. The feni is a drink from cashew apple. Anticoagulant used to prevent the coagulation of lactose before the lactose reaches the rubber factory is whether it is a potassium sulfite, ammonia, magnesium sulfite, hydrochloric acid. The correct answer is ammonia. Bitter taste of coffee is due to the presence of caffeine. Vulcanization of rubber is related with helium, sulfur, nitrogen, magnesium. So related with sulfur. For fruit development, the Arabica coffee takes 8 to 9 months, whereas Robusta coffee takes 10 to 11 months. Polyclonal seed gardens are raised for collection of good quality seeds in rubber. In rubber plantations, Calapagonium muconoides is a weed or cover crop, green leaf manure. It is a cover crop. In cocoa, the pod color of Criollo is dark red, whereas yellow color for Forastero. Jerkwat and chupan shoots are related to cocoa. Holes and counts are related to cashew grade, tea grade, cocoa grade or coffee grade. So it is related to cashew grade. Top working is practiced to juvenilate the snail orchard of coconut, areca nut, cocoa, cashew. Sumangla variety is introduced from, as we said earlier itself, it is introduced from Indonesia. Indonesia, VTL11. The shape of Robusta bean, whether it is a flat or round or oval. So Robusta bean will be in flat and oval. Chandra Shankara is a coconut hybrid derived from the cross COD into WCT, whereas WCT into COD is Keras Shankara. East Coastal into Malayan Green Dwarf is VHC1. ECT into GB is for Godavari Ganga. We can see some of the parentage of VHC1. East Coast Atoll into Malayan Green Dwarf. VHC2 East Coast Atoll into Malayan Yellow Dwarf. VHC3 is East Coast Atoll into Malayan Orange Dwarf. So all year 1 is a selection from Arasambatti Atoll, and a new variety which is released VPM5. It is from Lacative Ordinary Atoll into Cochin, China. In coconut, the female flower production is high during March to May. The method of tapping the young female inflorescence of Palmyra is known as Tattuppanai. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel to receive the upcoming videos. Thank you.